Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in Missouri City and we are in the community of Park Edge. Now, if you have not heard of Park Edge is a D.R. Horton community, which means D.R. Horton is the only builder in this community. Now, this particular community gives you 7 different options to choose from when it comes to building your home. The home that we're going to view today is going to be the Lancaster. Now, as you can see, it is a 2-story home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It has a study, a game room, and there's options. You can either add a 5th bedroom, a media room, or a 4th bathroom. So there's different things you can do. Now, the square footage of this home is anywhere from 2,900 all the way up to around 3,300. The starting price is going to be currently around the $430,000 mark. Now, what D.R. Horton is doing, because the market is so hot right now, they are not building homes, but they are allowing buyers to secure their lots. And by securing your lot, you have a peace of mind that you do have a home that is coming. Now, when you write your contract, that will be at the framing stage. So we're going to view this beautiful home behind me. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back. I hope you enjoy a tour of this home that is located in Park Edge, built by D.R. Horton. Now remember, this is the Lancaster model, and they give you many different options, whether it's adding a 5th bedroom, adding another media room, or even an extra bathroom. You can do it with this particular model. If you have any questions regarding this model, the builder, or the community, or anything else, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, remember, if you have not already hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell to be notified of new videos weekly, make sure you do that before you leave. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.